2023 Ford Lightning. We're going to be installing these electric steps from Rough Country. We just removed the steps from the driver's side and passenger side, and we opened up the package to see what we got. Here's the wiring. These are some nice motors. They're going to move the steps. Okay, here's what we got so far. Electric motors mounted on both sides. It's 13 mils on each bracket. Okay, so we just routed the power wires to the 12-volt battery. Everything is zip tied. Everything looking clean. Should be able to just finish installing the brackets. All we need is the lights, but they're pretty much done.